This comprehensive guide will walk you through everything you need to know about breaking into the lucrative and dynamic field of management consulting, from education requirements and essential skills to interview preparation and career progression. Management consulting offers a unique blend of intellectual challenge, professional growth, and financial rewards. Let's explore why this career path continues to attract top talent from around the world and what makes it such a compelling profession. Global opportunities. With over 5.5 million professionals employed globally by 2025, the consulting industry offers unprecedented career opportunities across markets and sectors. Financial rewards. Consulting salaries often outpace many finance roles with rapid growth trajectories, including competitive base salaries, performance bonuses, and comprehensive benefits. Diverse work. Tackle complex business challenges across various industries, developing transferable skills while making meaningful impact on major organizations. Travel perks. Experience different regions and cultures while traveling on company expenses, building a global perspective that enhances your professional versatility. Management consultants serve as external advisors to organizations, helping them solve their most pressing business challenges and seize new opportunities. Strategic advisory. Provide guidance on corporate strategy, market entry, and growth initiatives. Operational excellence. Optimize business processes, enhance efficiency, and reduce costs. Innovation and change. Drive digital transformation, restructuring, and business model innovation. Breaking into consulting typically involves four main paths: campus recruiting, networking, referrals, and lateral hiring. Campus recruiting is common for students at top universities, where firms actively scout talent. Networking involves building relationships with consultants or firm employees to access opportunities. Referrals, often tied to networking, can boost your application by providing an internal recommendation. Lastly, lateral hiring allows professionals with relevant experience in other industries to transition into consulting roles. Each path requires preparation, persistence, and targeted efforts. For ambitious undergraduates, this traditional entry path offers structured recruitment processes at prestigious firms like McKinsey, BCG, and Bain, the MBB firms. Top firms recruit from approximately 400 target universities globally. Early pipeline programs begin freshman year, e.g., BCG Bridge to Consulting. Internships typically offered after sophomore or junior year. Full-time recruiting happens senior year. While economics and business are common majors, firms increasingly value STEM, philosophy, and engineering backgrounds for their analytical rigor. Pro tip: join consulting clubs and case competition teams on campus to build relevant skills and network with firm representatives. Work experience, 3+ years. Gain professional experience in any industry to build business acumen and leadership skills before pursuing an MBA. MBA at target school. Enroll at schools heavily recruited by consulting firms, Harvard, Wharton, INSEAD, etc. Actively participate in consulting clubs and networking events. Summer internship. Secure a consulting internship between your first and second year, often the primary pathway to full-time offers. Full-time position. Convert internship or recruit for associate-level positions with higher starting salary and accelerated career trajectory. Firms increasingly value specialized expertise for complex client challenges, creating opportunities for PhDs, MDs, JDs, and other advanced degree holders. Specialized programs. Many top firms offer dedicated recruitment paths, like McKinsey's PhD and MD hiring programs. Technical expertise. Your deep domain knowledge becomes valuable for clients facing complex technical challenges. Entry levels. Advanced degree holders typically enter at associate level with compensation similar to MBA hires. Notable recruitment programs: McKinsey's Advanced Professional Degree Program, BCG's ADC, Advanced Degree Candidates, TRAC, and Bain's Advanced Degree Programs. Industry professionals with relevant expertise can transition into consulting at more senior levels, bringing valuable practical knowledge and specialized skills. Target profiles: professionals with 2-8+ years of experience in fields like technology, healthcare, financial services, or operations are particularly valued. Entry points: while MBB firms have more structured, experienced hire processes, boutique and specialized consulting firms often provide more flexibility. Value proposition: highlight your industry expertise, client relationship skills, and ability to deliver immediate value to consulting projects. The consulting industry demands a unique combination of analytical prowess, leadership abilities, and interpersonal skills. This section explores the core competencies you'll need to develop to succeed. Problem solving: analytical rigor, structured thinking approach, and comfort with ambiguity in complex business situations. Leadership: ability to influence teams and clients effectively, even without formal authority. Achieving mentality: track record of excellence and ability to thrive under pressure with tight deadlines. Business acumen: understanding of core business principles and industry knowledge, with technical expertise as a bonus. Communication: exceptional verbal and written skills to convey complex ideas clearly to diverse audiences. The most successful consultants combine these skills with intellectual curiosity and adaptability to thrive in diverse client environments. Essential development areas: leadership experience. Seek roles with demonstrable impact and team management, whether in student organizations, volunteer work, or professional settings. Analytical foundation: developmental math skills, data analysis capabilities, and familiarity with business frameworks through coursework and self-study. Business knowledge: read industry publications like McKinsey Quarterly and Harvard Business Review to understand current business challenges. Professional network: connect with current and former consultants for guidance, mentorship, and potential referrals. The consulting recruitment process is notoriously rigorous, designed to identify candidates with exceptional problem-solving abilities, communication skills, and leadership potential. Application preparation: craft a results-oriented resume and a compelling cover letter, highlighting leadership, quantifiable impact, and strong firm knowledge. Secure recommendations or referrals when possible. Online assessments: familiarize yourself with specific tests like McKinsey's PST, BCG's potential test, and Bain's online test. Practice with sample tests available online to improve performance. Case interviews: master business frameworks, structured problem-solving techniques, and mental math. Develop clear communication skills and a strong executive presence for effective case discussions. Fit or behavioral interviews: prepare compelling personal stories that demonstrate your key competencies. Research the firm's culture and values, and articulate a clear motivation for pursuing consulting and joining the specific firm. The case interview isn't just about getting the right answer. It's about demonstrating a structured approach to problem-solving and communicating your thinking clearly. Former McKinsey consultant. Early preparation: begin case interview practice at least 3 months before your first interview. This gives you time to internalize frameworks and develop confidence. Quality resources: invest in top preparation materials like Victor Cheng's Case Interview Secrets, Case in Point, and join university consulting clubs for practice partners. Mock interviews: practice with current or former consultants who can provide realistic feedback on your performance and executive presence. Case interview structure. Problem statement. Clarifying questions. Framework development. Analysis and calculations. Recommendations. Consulting offers a well-defined career path with transparent promotion timelines and significant compensation growth at each level. Analyst or associate, 0 to 3 years. Core analytical work and client-facing responsibilities. Entry point for undergraduates, analyst, and MBAs, advanced degrees, associate. Focus on developing core consulting toolkit and professional skills. Engagement manager, 3 to 5 years. Day-to-day leadership of project teams. Primary client contact for work streams. Responsible for deliverable quality and team performance. Associate partner, 5 to 8 years. Oversees multiple projects. Develops client relationships. Contributes to firm knowledge and business development. Partner, 8-11 plus years. Leads major client relationships. Responsible for business development. Shapes firm strategy and mentors junior consultants. McKinsey offers the fastest path to partner level, with top performers achieving partnership in as few as 8 years compared to 10 to 11 at other firms. Beyond direct compensation, consulting offers valuable perks including travel benefits. Enjoy perks like airline status, hotel points, and expensed meals during client engagements. Training and development. Benefit from extensive professional development programs valued at $10,000 to $20,000 annually. Influential network. Gain unparalleled access to influential business leaders and a robust alumni community. Premium exit options. Open doors to highly sought-after career opportunities across various industries post-consulting. While consulting can be a lifelong career, many professionals leverage their experience to transition into exciting roles across industries and functions. Keys to success in consulting. Continuous learning. Embrace every project as an opportunity to build new skills and industry knowledge. The best consultants remain intellectually curious throughout their careers. Build your network. Cultivate relationships with colleagues, clients, and mentors who can provide guidance and create opportunities throughout your career journey. Manage your energy. Consulting is demanding. Develop sustainable work habits and set boundaries to maintain performance and prevent burnout. Popular exit opportunities. Private equity. Leverage analytical skills in deal evaluation and portfolio company management. Corporate strategy. Lead strategic initiatives at major corporations. Entrepreneurship. Apply consulting frameworks to build new ventures. Product management. Drive product strategy and innovation at tech companies. Consulting doesn't just teach you how to solve problems. It builds versatile skills and mindsets that create value in virtually any business context.